Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss migration of ions. Migration of ions with different speeds can be demonstrated by a simple experiment devised by NICE. U-tube is filled 3/4 with dilute solution of agar-agar containing KCl and little phenolphthalein. A drop of dilute solution of sodium hydroxide is added to the right limb and a drop of HCl is added to the left limb. This side becomes pink in color, whereas this side of the U-tube is colorless. This is due to the fact that phenolphthalein is colorless below 8.2 pH, whereas it is pink in color at about 8.2 pH and above. Agar-agar solution is then allowed to set into a jelly by placing the U-tube in the ice bath for a few minutes. A small amount of powdered charcoal is scattered on the surface of the solution on each side to mark the position of the boundary. A solution of HCl and CuCl2 is poured gently over the charcoal boundary on the right side, and a solution of sodium hydroxide is poured over the charcoal boundary on the left side. Current is allowed to flow by inserting metal electrodes in each limb. Hydrogen ions and cupric ions move towards the left limb, while hydroxyl ions move towards the right limb. Movement of hydrogen ions is indicated by the disappearance of pink color, and the movement of cupric ions is indicated by the appearance of blue color in the right limb. Movement of hydroxyl ions is indicated by the appearance of pink color on the left limb. In a given time, if hydrogen ions move through a distance of 5 centimeter, then cupric ions move through a distance of 0.91 centimeter and hydroxyl ions move through a distance of 2.83 centimeter. With the help of NICE experiment, it has been seen that most of the ions differ largely in their mobilities. Now the question arises, how one can explain that their equal numbers are discharged on electrolysis at the appropriate electrodes. Faraday's second law of electrolysis states, when the same quantity of electricity flows through different electrolytes, the amount of different substances produced at the electrodes are directly proportional to their equivalent masses. This can be explained with the help of theoretical device given by Hitov. Thanks for watching this video.